Shubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Menteri Sorkar Bathymmai ia ketenat social welfare pok ke Jylla, ubak po lingdo ulakdo ia ke Jingthmu shitam belawan ra, ha ke sni buram mi kibrio ke Duna Dkhot men, ban kentia ia kilat, ban wan ra jingirap na kementa kini kibrio. Ha ke ni ke sni ke sau terik nok pra arajar arpulai, kat kum ke Jingthmu jong ubak pol, ulaong, makaladan ke Jingthmu ban Pynsuk ia ke Ïaid ke Ïeng na kementa kibrio, kebadan jing Duna ha ke Dkhot men, ha ki arpu tediki yang malah. Unia Menteri Sorkar la pentep ru bakani ke de ke Bathymmai ke Jylla bat kin sadan ki jing hang ni hang tai handai ke Sorkar kan treshitam bat kan dan ya ke thong meni snok tilang bat nong ya dan benta banwan ra ki la jing ram na benta ki di ki briu uba pol lo ong ru baki tenat trekam beper ki lawan ra ki mat bat kum ju ru ki la ai jing mut ha ka bai dei bat kum no banwan ra ki ni ki la jing ram na benta ki briu ba Duna Dkhot men Kumta ketenat social welfare kelas jam kiai kini kiman, matkan saya keran bikinong ya dan menta hadian beladap ban peni ya memorandum.
Kabangi lihat menta kalau nomor kini kita tang jom ke department ke isnok berbun bahagi department di ngila ha lingkong sua menta kalau ngin collect je barok ka information di nabata kani ngidon amdai tang social welfare department dari DC ru kibai trailang di ngidang ban hak proses ban compile ban lum ban lang ya information tang babis halot japan information ngidang sedang ban banyak cermat ya ban kena bangi play gini ki lat kilenti nak benta ki perlu kibadan jengya kita lerap hi kani ka jengelang ba long benda kasi kadai haka skill ka ba he ba ka ba ni dapat lang ya bro kini ki NGOs ginong hikai ngila ai ru kajing itu ki institution kani kamde ke ka ba sok bangile nomor ba gidang hapan identify shipun ki bakum kini ki no hikai bat ki babun kini pidip kimde tang nakaway ka group jo ki no hikai kalau spread across i babun haki tiga kolong ke lain ba ka kam andrai beginning has been made. Well, as you know, it's only very recently that even the list of areas that are to be covered under the definition of physically challenged has been revised to cover 21 such areas. So that's again a new concept. The second part of it is that this is something which is new to Meghalaya. Making sure that our government buildings and institutions comply with facilities that require that facilitate access to persons with disabilities. So it's a new challenge, but we will certainly be working in tandem with all line departments. Major department that you have pointed out is the Department of Education. We should be in a position to transform things as we go from one fiscal year to the next, and as of now, the coverage is not yet satisfactory, but we are determined to accelerate the pace with which we are working. We have taken note of this. I think you must also keep in mind that I've been here for just 7 months plus, so there are a lot of areas to be covered, a lot of emphasis to be placed on PWDs, and given sufficient time we should be able to, and we have already incorporated, asked the department to incorporate these facilities for PWDs in at least major tourist sites to begin with. As we speak, the compliance has been growing. Departments have been coming forth with input, and major departments of the state have already started implementing the reservation for the.
Recently, the people of the association had met you, and they have submitted their 8-point demands. How far has the government been unable to attend all these demands made by them?
We are in the process of talking to various stakeholders. It's a complex issue, but we will. I have already given indications to them that we will be following the submission of the memorandum. We will follow it up, and we should be in a position to have another round of discussions with these various organizations briefly. We will be meeting in the second week of January. I have called for a review of the various proposals with the various district heads, including from the Department of Social Welfare, Education and the district administrations. Second week of January, we will have a review meeting.